Ready-to-use sauces are very popular in the modern kitchen. Consumers may just heat the sauce, or they may mix it with meat or vegetables before heating them up in a pan, microwave or oven. Cream sauce is often pH neutral and therefore has to be sterilized during production to maximize shelf life. Consumers at home will heat the sauce again, often in an oven. This treatment is very hard on emulsions. The sauce may become unstable, the color may turn grayish-brown due to the Maillard reaction, and the texture may lose its smoothness. Cream sauce designed for cooking traditionally contains dairy proteins or egg yolk to emulsify the oil. Sisterna sucrose esters are powerful emulsifiers, which can replace these proteins and egg yolk, either in part or completely. Cooking cream sauce with sucrose esters is stable, smooth and white, and it's also vegan. To show you the benefits of sucrose esters, let's look at what happens when we replace dairy proteins in a white creamy sauce with Sisterna SP70. Sterilization makes the sauce containing dairy proteins darker and rougher, while the sauce made with sucrose esters doesn't change in either color or texture. Zooming in, we find that the oil droplets in the sauce with dairy proteins clump together, which can cause destabilization of the emulsion and the coarse texture. In the sauce with sucrose esters, the oil droplets are nicely dispersed. This sauce can be added to a dish and heated in the oven. Once again, we see the sucrose esters keep the sauce whiter and smoother. Light-colored sauces look much better when you add ingredients like herbs or mushrooms, and they enable you to start from a blank canvas when you use colorants to achieve your desired color. For more information about sucrose esters, contact Sisterna.